Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to mute mic on Omegle. Open up the web browser. Here search Omegle. Click to open its site. Then tap on the video option. Tick all the checkboxes in here. And click on Confirm and Continue. As you can see, Omegle is asking you to give permission to your microphone and camera. Press Allow to provide the access. Tap to stop the call and click on the View Site Information icon. From here, you can turn off the microphone option. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.